Hi, my name is Frank Diaz, hairstylist and colorist for L'Oreal Professionnel, and I'm here to talk about our Absolut Repair Molecular Leave-In. But first, let's talk about hair damage. Hair damage is caused by styling tools. It is also caused by chemicals, which is from coloring or lightening, and because of this, we experience hair breakage, split ends, and excessive dryness of the hair. The solution to damage at the molecular level is this leave-in. This will be strengthening the hair fiber while simultaneously giving you frizz control and heat protection up to 450 degrees. After you have cleansed and conditioned, you want to towel dry your hair. Take about 2 to 3 pumps of this leave-in and apply it all over from roots to ends. You could use this product before a blow dry, or you could use it as an air dry. This is a leave-in I recommend to all my guests. And what I love most about it, it works with all hair types, fine, medium, dense, and also all sorts of formations where you have straight, wavy, curly, and coily. This is a product you will for sure love.